This is a quick look at how to share YouTube content using your phone or mobile device. To share on your channel's community page, below the video, locate Share. Select it to display the menu of share options. Select Create Post. From the Create Post window, add some context that encourages others to visit the content that you shared. If you're sharing beyond YouTube using apps, email, or messengers, you'll notice that when you select Share, the top of the menu displays various options for where to share it. Select your app of choice, follow the online instructions. You can also share beyond YouTube by copying the link. The same share button, the same share menu. Select Copy Link, and now the URL is copied to your clipboard where you can paste it wherever your little heart desires. Please remember to hit that like button. When you arrive at a stream, it typically opens to live chat. Hit the X to get out of the live chat. Then hit the thumbs up, or if you want, hit the thumbs down. It's an interaction, and that's all YouTube really cares about. After that, you can go back to chatting.